Burlington. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Hunterdon, and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.
Oh no, this ain't done. Doubleheader. Come on, another SVR. Go. Yep. Doubleheader. Listen, this ain't for me, but I don't care. Shut up. I don't
The
care.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, northern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Zion to St. George's to near Green Spring, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Oh, good grief.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Oh, good lord.
Locations impacted include Wilmington, Vineland, Newark, Millville, Bridgeton, Middletown, Glassboro, Pennsville, Hickman, Clayton, Carneys Point, Ellesmere, Newcastle, Kents Grove, Salem, Woodstown, Holloway, Kincon, Swedesboro, and Delaware City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem, and Kent, Maryland.
Is that it?